sad it has to change.
Yeah? I thought you were all for leaving the past behind. You did put that fag out, didn't you?
Shit! I can't get through. He's going to go ballistic when he gets back from Germany.
Yeah, they say it's mostly just smoke damage.
The insurers will have a field day. It's not funny. I'm not exactly employee of the month after all this intern shit.
Yeah, that wasn't your fault.
Everything's my fault since he found out I like girls as opposed to middle-aged fat men in suits. 2 months ago, he was talking about making me partner. Now he's looking to demote me, and I go and give him this.
Yeah, it wasn't your fault, Cat. It was Jay. Jay gave Hayley the gear. I helped him cover it up at the time, but I didn't realise it would put you in the shit.
What was he even doing with her?
I don't think anything happened.
Only because she passed out.
Sorry I didn't tell you. I just didn't want to cross him up.
I'm not blaming you. Bloody Jay. Thanks for all your help.
Like we never left. Listen, don't worry about Alistair, it'll be fine.
Well, looks like you've got company. I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah. Hey.
Clarice let you off with a caution then?
Yeah.
Couldn't get you on the phone. Just wanted to make sure you're alright after yesterday.
Yeah, I'm fine. It's a busy day.
I didn't even make it into work. I can barely remember anything that happened last night.
It's probably for the best. You coming up?
Yeah?
I was only planning an early night, but you can come up for an hour or so.
I think I'll leave you to it. Maybe enough time.
Alright. Whatever you think. Night.
Honey, I'm home. Hey. You smell of smoke.
Oh, I had a meeting on site. You know what builders are like.
That smells amazing. You know, when I was younger, I used to have this fantasy about Bewitched.
The girl band?
No, I had that one too. No, I meant the old TV show where the witch marries a human and then she turns into the perfect 50s housewife.
Are you seriously telling me that this does it for you?
Mm-hmm. Each their own.